So these are the different types of cross wires. They vary from manufacturer to manufacturer and from make to make. You could be using any one of these cross wires in your instruments, and this is applicable for all sorts of instruments. Right in the figure, you'll find the center points. Like in this one, here is the point where you take the reading, and this will be the horizontal level which will coincide with your instrument. That is the leveling staff. So here you will have this one and this one. So you will read the reading on this horizontal line over here, this one. And you must be wondering what these lines means over here, right? So these lines, they are in reference to measuring the distance. Like for example, if you are measuring a distance right somewhere here, right? So say that the reduced level comes to be 1.02 meters. Now, when you take a reading at this particular level of the cross wire, definitely is going to go ahead. This reading will take you ahead, and this one is going to take you at a lesser reading. I mean at a lesser distance. So when you pick up a reading and take it around somewhere here on this one, you can easily take out the difference between the RLs of both or three of these lines and find out the difference in the distance, that is the length. If you know the length, wherever this point is located on the site, right, then with that, if you add the difference of this, because it is on a higher version, this distance is going to be ahead, and this lower one is going to be at a lesser space. The constant is 100. So whatever difference you get, you multiply it by a constant of 100 and you will get the difference in the distance. Now, as I have talked about the constant, it is always given for a particular machine, that is the leveling machine, that what the constant is for that particular machine. If it's not been given, then you have to take it as simply as 100. So if you take out the first RL right over here, say at this point, this is your first RL, this is your second RL, and this is your third RL. So if you minus 1 from 2, you will proceed and find the distance ahead, right? Definitely you will place a staff over here, and you had placed a staff at this point on the ground, that is at the site, and this will go ahead, so you will get the distance of these two, and you will have to add this distance up. Then what you do is 1 minus 3, you will get this particular distance over here, this one you will get. And similarly you have this sort of a cross wire. So it depends normally on the manufacturers, but what you got to need to concentrate is right in the first figure over here, and this is the one that you need. over here. So you don't have to worry about it at all. This is the best part that you're going to take into consideration. So I'll end this topic of crosswires, and we'll come to reading of a leveling staff. I'm keeping videos short so that you can follow them up. Thank you very much.